Hello, today our group will be presenting on cystic fibrosis. So what is it? Cystic fibrosis is an inherited disease that affects the respiratory and digestive system. It causes the production of abnormally thick mucus, often resulting in respiratory infection. It disrupts the normal function of the liver, pancreas, digestive and reproductive system, as well as epithelial cells. For reference, epithelial cells are the cells that cover the surface of the body. Some facts about cystic fibrosis: 25% of children will have cystic fibrosis. More than 75% of people with CF are diagnosed by age 2. Approximately 1,000 new cases of cystic fibrosis are diagnosed each year. More than 30,000 people are living with cystic fibrosis in the US, which equates to more than 70,000 worldwide. How does cystic fibrosis affect a child's nutrition? Children with cystic fibrosis need more calories than other kids in their age group. The amount of additional calories they will need vary according to each child's lung function, activity level, and illness. Specific nutritional needs include calcium, essential fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K, iron, salt, and zinc. It can be tricky for children to have extra calories in their diet, so some ways to do this is adding nuts to cookies and sweets, grill sandwiches in butter, and add bacon or extra cheese to burgers.